Hi everyone, today I'm going to be looking at how to create initial ideas for the graffiti project. I've already completed my specification that was done in response to the research pages given. These pages here. The graffiti project is looking at a range of famous graffiti artists, Keith Haring, Barry McGee, Banksy, Jean Dubuffet and Jean-Michel Basquiat, or Basquiat, I suppose it would be. The most important thing here is I have my specification ready to go for when I need to develop my ideas, and I'm using morphological analysis to create my ideas, or to help me create my ideas. The table is on another page. My morphological table breaks the columns down by the different artists, so it's really easy to get different style into each of the ideas I'm going to do. I basically have at least 5 ideas and come up with that are really different because each of the artists have their own individual style. Once I've finished each idea, I need to annotate it to explain more about it, information that I can't just get from looking at the picture. So here you can see I've got some feet here. You can't tell by looking at it at the moment, but I'm thinking these could be little round feet. Made from turned wood. I'd need some way of joining this flat piece of material onto the feet, or the feet onto the material. Hole drilled underneath the shelf to slide the feet in. So what I mean by that is I might have a funny shaped foot here, so I need to explain a little bit more about that, because you can't tell everything I need to tell from this, so I'm going to do another sketch. The theme of this project is graffiti artists, so if we want to use the theme, we need to be able to search on a wider forum than just the pictures you put in the research pages. So sometimes it's good to have a wee look at Google and do some searching. So there's Banksy. I'm just going to put images. Now, some of these images, you've got to be careful that you're not using inappropriate images for schoolwork. So we just have to be careful about what we're doing. So Banksy is a graffiti artist. I'm just going to click on the images tab at the top of the screen there, and you'll see that we'll get lots and lots of images. Now, unfortunately, this one has no future. That's quite negative. Let's try and keep it quite positive. I'm going to have a wee scan over here. I quite like this one. It's quite cool with the man be sheltered from the colourful rain. I also liked the look of the one next to it, the Banksy robot can. So I'm using Google and I found this image of the Banksy robot. That's quite smart. I think this might make a good little input into one of my designs, completely different from my previous design, so that's good to go with. What I can do is I can look at Google and I can look for lots of images, and there's tons of Banksy images out there that you can look for, and the same with the other artists like Jean Dubuffet and Jean-Michel Basquiat.